Tuesdays are a funny old day. They're not as hectic as Mondays, but the weekend still feels far too far away. The one good thing about the day though? Tacos. Whether in Texas or Timbuktu, tacos are going to be on thousands of dinner tables tonight, including this one. Some deliciously creamy avocado for breakfast will get us into the mood, with toasted rye bread and spiced chickpeas for added oomph. Halloumi is a firm favourite in our house as it's super easy to make with a simple salad for a quick lunch al desco. Plus there's less chance of spilling soup onto the keyboard. And here we have it, the star of the show, shrimp tacos with a mango salsa for a naturally sweet supper this Taco Tuesday. Check out our special ebook for a full ingredient list and easy step-by-step instructions for making these simple, wholesome meals to help keep you healthy during your working week. Remember, Allianz Care's mission is to keep you well, whatever your working week looks like and wherever you are in the world.